Okay. Swiping prior day low right now and sitting at an S1. Gap fill is 24,853. See, the market's down 140. I think GDP is less than expected. And what was it? PCE was where it's supposed to be. Been getting stopped out way too much. This market is insane. So I have to adapt. So now I'm trading MNQ, taking half size so I can double my stop loss. So now I have a 25-point stop loss with half size, and if it goes in my favor, I can always add once I'm break even into a full contract. So that's my thought process behind there. I did not trade live yesterday because I was messing with that, and it went very well. So stick with the same thing. Psychological 700 and S1, and market opens in 20 seconds. 5-minute downtrend. There we go. So opening up below the daily pivot. Swiping it. Popping right back up. Just hanging out below prior day low. Market's in a downtrend still. There it goes. Can we get 850? It's looking like it. $800 tap. Wow. See if we can get a pullback and a retest of that prior day low. Or try and grab one under 800. No, it's gone. Yep, there it is, 850. See what the reaction is right here. Be right back. That gap has been filled with a daily pivot. I wouldn't be surprised if we get a pullback right here. And there's the pullback. Fuck. Almost 50 points, huh? That's what I was waiting for, but damn. Oh, maybe if we break above that pivot there, we can head up to the next one. In Asia high. Back up to 25,000. Try it. Break even. Oh, shit. Oh, that was almost 50 points. All right. 330. Is this thing on? Can you hear me? Whoever's in here? $9.57. Yep. Excuse me. 957. 957.50. The market would sell off every time it came up here yesterday. See if it can retap this pivot right here and then bounce up. Pullbacks are really shallow. Push up, little flag. Push up, could do little flag again. Push back up. All right, this zone right here. Market had trouble here yesterday. Right here. See? So be careful of a retracement there. Ultimately, I mean, you can push up to here. See if you can get a pullback to 891 for a continuation through here. Ryu. How's it, brother? There it is. It's a 23 retracement from this high. See if we can get a pop and continue higher. If the market would like to break out. Nope. So I got a 38 retracement at 24,850. That could be his own. Oop. 850. This could be if the market wants to continue higher to break out, this is a good location for a long. Coming down to that 38. Would like to see if it can hold right here. There's a little reaction, huh? There it goes. Come on. Holding. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Damn near 50 points. Chilly morning. Kona girl, good morning. Dude, I know. Fuck. It's been windy and cold. It's crazy. I just want it to stop. Sweatshirt, sweatpants every morning. Usually try and wear an Aloha shirt on Friday, but I'm too damn cold. I keep thinking the power is going to go out all the time. Is it windy? Windy over there? Damn, did anybody scalp this one right here? That 50-point pop? I have a lot of charts, but it looks like shit. You know what I mean? When I have them all right here, and I don't know how to trade them on NinjaTrader where you can see them on everything. No wind, just cold. Full sweats and a hoodie. I need a fireplace. Yeah. Right? Seriously, no heater, no fireplace. We walk the dogs at night and I can hear people with their fucking air conditioners on still. I'm like, God, how in the world? It's holding this 38. So that's a confluence right there. That's a 38 Fibonacci retracement from New York low to high and the gap fill. Oh, yeah. This one down here is a 50%. So if we crack this one, I would expect to hit this one. But they're holding it at this 38. I've traded 4 accounts already. That first one was a good one. That took a long at this right when this thing popped right over here. Yeah, she's holding. She might go again. These wicks down here are nice. If there's buyers down here, if this thing can crack over and keep going, maybe it'll take out that high and head up to 25,000. Right, take out this high, keep going. Psychological 25,000, R1, prior day high. Oop. Chart along right there on one of those other ones. There's another one. Oh, wow, that was insane. What the fuck was that? Is there news? $10 a.m.? I guess so. That was fucking nuts. Went right back to where it was at. Try it again. I don't know what the news is or anything, so don't. Got bought right up. I didn't see any 10 o'clock news on Market Watch. Oh, new home sales delayed. Oh, consumer sentiment. That one is a fucker. I did not see that. Let's break even, out. Of course, and then it fucking rips. Nice. Yes. I love that. Wow. Is that a joke? All right. Wow. Long from 900. Well, that's freaking nice. Taking out prior day high. I don't want to FOMO that thing. Something came out. Should we just try it? Fuck it. That was super strong. Nope. That was stupid. Market's up only 150. Did it take out Asia? $25, 128.25 would be next. But damn, that would have been the fucking one right there. There's a 23 retracement right there. Damn, it's giving it back. I don't know. Did we go test that wick out? Sitting at a 23. The new 23. Or do we go take out the low? Dang, it's giving it up. Yep. Try it. Nope, didn't get filled. Breaking this trend. Testing this daily pivot. Might go for the low. Wow, that's pretty weak. Probably get stopped out. Trying to short it right at the pivot. Yep, that was dumb. But seems pretty freaking weak. Psychological 900. Auto break even. That gap fill, that same area, if we crack this zone, can head lower. Take your money if you're up. Probably get stopped out. I think it was up 400. Yeah. Still some buyers down in here. Yeah, buyers back there again at that pivot. Damn, the slippage on that freaking move killed me on that news. I did not know there was 10 o'clock news. I hope you got out if you were long from 904 before it came all the way back down to 900. Yeah, it's going to go higher. Wow, but it's pretty strong. $25, $128, $25. Chasing. Sellers over the pivot. Yep. I mean, it's holding above all of the prior days, everything. The New York session, anyways. Market was basically in a downtrend, and today it looks like it's broken out of it. But the continuation these days have just been so shitty. I mean, but the extreme moves are just like, holy fuck. So I changed to MNQ because I kept getting stopped out every 2 freaking seconds. So I doubled my stop loss with the same amount of risk. Yep, probably gonna call it a day. Might just fucking chop around now. Well, the market figures out if it likes the news or not. Typically, we can get a continuation out of it, but the wick on that 5-minute chart, just this one, bought right up. Yeah, that 5-minute candle, the really nice wick. Can't believe I got stopped out here. Was that even 25 points? It's freaking nuts. Right before that shit just ripped. $38. Try it again. You can't short it. It goes straight the hell up. If this thing gets going, it's going to go. It's going to keep going probably all day, but the market's getting downtrending. I can't believe it gave up this entire freaking move. Swiping a 38. Yeah. I'm done. And that's why I traded all these accounts separately. Because I've traded them copy trading before, and that shit's just... It's going to fucking sell off now? Fuck it. Oh, that one didn't fill. If it can drop this... Yep. Dang. I hate trading in the middle of the day. Or, the first moves that I caught were freaking good. And I can't believe I got stopped at right before that one. But they're just going to buy it under this pivot again. Look at that. If it gives this zone up right here, it's probably going to head right to the bottom. But I don't even know why I'm trying to trade in the middle. My whole thing is just only trading around the pivots, which obviously along this seeming very weak, and then going long right off of the pivot, huh? And from pivot to pivot can capture these moves, right? That's pretty bullish. But right in the 50% of this pivot range here, so. But if it goes, I just let it go. You know what I mean? Up to wherever my next target would be. But switching to MNQ works great. Because if I just do another ad right here, then I'm at one contract and my risk is significantly lower. Might come down and retest that little flag breakout there. I'm not messing with the stop loss. I can always re-enter. Little retest. See if this 1 minute candle can suck back up. That's a retest. This ain't going. What the heck is going on here? Little breakout, retest. All right, back to break even again. Goes auto break even at 20 points. This thing can get going, I'll add another one, but there's 300 again, 400. That's 50 points. I'm going to go fill up my coffee. Let this thing do what it's going to do. Just manage it. Switch to a 5-minute. All right. Yeah, I'm going to move my stop loss down actually to right below this 5-minute candle. Oh. But this 5-minute wick, this is a nice one off of that too, huh? You got buyers at the daily pivot, tapping an R1 right here, prior day high, R2. If it can keep going, it might get up to that R2. Market's only up 150, another 100 and change. Yep, having problems at that pivot. One 193. What is that? 192.25. That would be epic. But it's a battle. Buyers, sellers, right? I'm probably in somewhere in the 50% of the range, which is not ideal. Probably get stopped out. Brand new 5-minute candle. This thing can push and keep going. I'm up 50 points, right? Pretty much. I'm just going to move my stop to the bottom of that 5-minute candle now. Would like to see if it can take this wick high. I think I'm going to add one. Add one. Where's that? That'd be still another 50 points. 60 points. And go break even. Basically filled in a 5-minute wick, but this area is choppy. No follow through. No follow through. This is just so shitty. Would have been stopped out right there, even if I didn't add. Taking out that previous 5-minute candle. Does it go higher from here? It's hanging right at a 23. This prior high that I have. Yeah. Can't trade this chop. Small size. Try and get into it. Try one more long, I guess. It's getting bought up below this 23. Damn. No way. All right. I'm done. I'm done. Yeah. Quite a few break evens. But I got 2 accounts that are red on the day. And 4 more that are pretty damn green. This is just not good. Right? So, be back on Monday.